Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change time format in laptop Windows 11. Access settings from the Start menu. After that, in the System section, open Power. Now click on the Screen and Sleep option. You can see two options to configure: turn off the screen and sleep the device. In the drop-down field, you can choose the desired time to be used. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.